Thank you to everybody at Cleveland Marshall for joining Denise and joining me at the table this afternoon to talk about practical law and how you're going to use it to get up to speed faster. That didn't make any sense either.
I'd be doing this.
3, 2, 1. Hello to everybody at Cleveland Marshall. Thank you for joining Denise Fogel and joining me for our event promoting practical law. Let's show you some things that you might have missed if you didn't go. All right. Practical law accessible from the upper left-hand corner in the dropdown or from the lawschool.westlaw.com site, practical law over here. The reason that this is a fantastic resource is that it's built around all these practice areas here, which mirror the types of things you may find yourself tackling this semester. In fact, some classes right now are working on, for instance, litigation. They're working on maybe a, let's see here, preliminary injunction or something like that. You can run a search up here and get checklists, analytical framework, links to some standard documents and some things to keep in mind when you're doing it. Even if you find a result that isn't everything and a bag of chips, scroll down to the bottom of any document on practical law and then say, hey, there's a bunch of practical things here. Practice notes for appeals, drafting the related documents, initial considerations. What's the procedure? What do I even have to do? And these practice notes are going to be, like I said, an analytical framework that takes you through the relevant rules, the major cases, any statutory authority, anything that you actually need to do the thing. So I highly, highly suggest practical law for getting up to speed for anything in the realm of these practice areas here. We talked to somebody who's going to a GC's office. You're going to take on some labor and employment stuff. Guess what? These topics are going to bring you to a great list of best practices and things that to keep in mind as you're getting up to speed on an issue, figuring out what the causes of action might be, see them all over here, and then following that through to the work product that you're eventually going to have to produce. If you forgot everything, remember this too. If you're still doing research, you know, conventionally, starting with a case, starting with a statute, look for practical law under the citing references. Check that out. Because once you start here, this can connect you to those resources as well. Again, that's citing references inside Westlaw for a case or statute to say, hey, this is some really great stuff to get up to speed. Tons of amazing things on Westlaw, tons of things I'd like to chat with you about. Connect with your account manager, the link along the side, or if you're using Twitter, follow at Lindy Hop Lawyer to see in-person availability, class recaps like this one, and other legal research ephemera. Thanks for watching and talk with you again soon. Bye.